Guys, here is a quick recording on the router types on your projects, guys and girls. Okay, let's see. For the core router, you need to have many ports, and that router also needs to support IPv6. And the one we found that is best for you is 2811 because it's easy to configure it for IPv6, and it's easy also or doable to put as many as fiber ports and serial ports. Let me show you this for 2811. So I'll go to the physical. So let's start first with the fiber. So we can take first this one here, SFP, single fiber model. This one is a fiber. We can use 4 here. Let me switch it off first. We can use 4 here quickly, but still they need a port. It's not only the slot we are adding. I just need also to add the last one here. This is the port, the fiber port. So for now I have 4 fiber ports for 2811, which is good because when the distance is very long, it's better than serial. One more thing, if you need a serial, we have many options, but let us first see what options we have. I'm clicking on the options, ya shabab, ya banat, to see what options we have. And I think we need to use some kind of a splitter here, like this splitter. We can use, this is 2 fiber, whatever splitter. We can use it here. Instead of 1 module, it will be 2. And I can remove the slots, the closing slots like this. So I have some fast Ethernet, and I can also put some serial ports here. Just click on this and see what you get, and make sure what you're getting is the right thing. So, this is huge. We'll give you 8 ports, this one. And you see all the available options here. So, let me just select one of them. This is good. So in this case, in this example, I added 4 serials and 4 fibers. If you want 6 fibers, you just remove one of these and go and add the SFP model here, and make sure you add the port itself here. So now you have 2 serial and you have 5 fiber. It's up to you. It depends on how many LANs and WANs you have, but you need enough ports. This is one. So I'll turn it on and go back to CLI to show you that it's easy to configure it with IPv6. Why I'm doing this? Because some of the models you have in Packet Tracer cannot be directly configured with IPv6. They need you to replace the operating system, and we are trying to make you avoid such a lengthy process. So in 2811, you just do it the normal way. Enable, conft, and IPv6 unicast routing, and that's it. It works directly. If you try with router PT and empty router PT, they do not support IPv6 directly. So let us see also show IP end, show IP interface brief to see what interfaces. So I believe here we have enough interfaces: 2 fast Ethernet, 4 gigabit Ethernet fiber, maybe 6, and 2 serial. If you want more serial, less serial, you know what to do now. For Kuwait and Bahrain, you can use the first one, 4331. You need just to add, they need a few ports, not as many as, you still can use 2811 and only provide those ports. Or you can use this one. You provide whatever ports here. There are all the modules that apply. Still, I see 2811 is good. This is... okay, good here. And let me see which one is, if you need serial, I don't think we need serial there. Maybe we need, that's it. So now 0 ports are available now. And I'm trying to tell you whether you use this one and that one. I believe it's simpler to configure. Okay, it's simpler to configure 208 2811. That's it. It's doable here, but that one is much simpler. That one is much simpler. So because I'm looking at all the available modules for 4331, I don't see it's easy to add all the fibers you want. So that's it. So for both also Kuwait and Bahrain, you can use 2811. Do exactly similar things to what I did. You can have less or more fibers of any type, less or more serial of any type, and it will be very easy to configure it for IB version 6. This is definitely needed for the core and probably needed for Kuwait and Bahrain because the core, Kuwait and Bahrain, need to support IPv6. That's it.